Hey guys, it's Jordan with Parish Tractor.
Patrick.
Just going to give you guys an update of kind of where we are moving into Q4, the last 3 months of the year. Some exciting stuff to still talk about. I know we talk about this every single time, but we do still have some awesome financing available with Kubota. That's again not something that you hear very often these days. And prime rate up higher, closer to 10 than 5 now. We can still offer you 0% out to 84 months on certain pieces and certain lines, including some tractors and things like that. So really a great thing to have and to be able to offer to customers out there.
Yeah, it's really, and it's going to help roll into our deal of the weeks that we want to start pushing.
It is.
It's going to help out with those. I think
it
helps us help you.
That's right. That's right. So you will be looking, if you will look on our social medias, of your email, there'll be stuff out there for deal of the week, and that will be something that we're just going to discount heavily to give you guys a chance to purchase something that we have in our inventory. They will normally be very limited supply, so if you see it and it's something that you need or want, you better call sooner rather than later, because it might not be there by the time you wait a week or so.
Yeah, it goes quick. I mean, it goes really quick. But we have that deal, and we have we're going to start rolling out some lawnmower deals. I think that's a big issue right now. Everybody's grass may not be growing, but it's gonna grow.
It's gonna grow.
It's gonna come back. We're gonna get humid and hot again next year, and we're gonna try to get you in a mower before you need to worry about it. We're gonna come out with a trade allowance program where no matter what you got, as long as you can get it to us, push, pull, drag it to us, get it up here, whatever you think it's worth, we're gonna add probably $250 to that.
Right. So we'll get some more information out there. Look on our platforms. It'll be out. We'll get it emailed out and be on socials and all that. But we're going to do a zero-turn program where we are going to give you bare minimum $250 for your trade. Doesn't matter what it looks like, if it runs, if it's got tires, if you can get it on our properties. It can be a push mower. It can be a riding mower. We really don't care. $250 bare minimum for your junker that you have when you trade it in on a new Kubota or Exmark. Okay, we got plenty of stock. Like Patrick said, I know it hasn't been raining a lot and the grass isn't growing a ton, but you're still gonna have to mulch up some leaves. That's coming. And then next year, you're gonna mow some grass at some point. So this kind of kills a couple of birds with a couple of stones. You might have, who knows, maybe your wife's on you about that old junker out there. You get to get rid of it, get some money, and get into a brand new unit.
Yeah, quit walking by it.
That's right.
Just get a buddy, throw it in the back of your truck, get it up here. Like we said, we don't care what it is.
Yep.
We don't. We've got some help on this, and it's going to be good.
No doubt. So look, also kind of our fall specials. We've got a service special still going on. We have a 12-point free inspection for your tractor, for your Kubota tractor, when you bring it to one of our 4 locations. Okay, it doesn't matter which location, bring it in. You can call and make an appointment if you want to. Call one of our service writers. They'll get you on the books, come in, they'll get it looked at, get you an idea of what they find. If they don't find anything, hey, great. If you want us to service it while it's here, no problem. We can handle anything that you need done for those tractors. Next, you're probably seeing in the background right now, there's some pictures from Meridian. Our Meridian store is super close. All right, we'll hopefully be in there in the next month or so. I know they're about to start doing some asphalt, getting some fencing up around, so some really exciting things going on in Meridian. Weather, I guess kind of a good thing of not getting rain is that construction crew has been able to just bowl through some stuff and kind of make some ground up on that. So be looking for that. We'll get some more stuff out there on Meridian as well.
Yeah, the weather is a big thing right now, and that kind of circles back to what we talked about with service. That I know personally 2 tractors that have burned up in the past month just from, dust compaction. I mean, it's dry. It's really dry right now. So, I would definitely take advantage of that at all of our locations. Get that tractor in there, let us look at it. I mean, who knows? We may find a buildup somewhere that we just knock out for you, and it saves you a lot of grief down the road.
No doubt. I know a lot of people in South Mississippi, South Alabama, and really all over the South are probably all heading to the deer camp if you haven't already. Okay, so if you're tired of fighting that old tractor and you want to bring it in, we're offering some great trade numbers on those as well. We can get you in a package for whatever fits your needs, whether it's an L series, an MX, an M series, whatever it is. We have inventory at all our locations with discs and cutters and tillers and grapples and whatever you might need, whatever fits your bill. We can build that package for you and customize it for you and get you going to the hunting camp, or hey, maybe it's a Christmas present. Maybe if you're wondering what you're going to get your husband, I promise you he'd love to have a tractor. So keep that in mind. We'll have some stuff rolling out on that as well.
Yeah, you know, not just tractors. We've, you know, most of y'all know we've taken on Toro this year. It's been good. You know, Toro, as soon as it gets in, it's gone. I mean, that's a high demand product. We took on a line of forklifts that have been great. We use them at our locations. We've sold a few of them. They've been wonderful. So, you know, don't think just because you're a homeowner, you know, those business guys, definitely new landscapes, you know, landscapers, anything like that.
That's right.
Jump on that.
That's right. And we actually got word yesterday from Toro. We'll have some stock headed our way in about another week, which is awesome. What that is also going to allow us to do is we are actually going to have a demo fleet for our first time ever with Toro. So if you are that landscaper or that contractor or whatever it is, and you want to see what one of these can do, man, call us. We're going to have a couple of units. We'll put it on a trailer and we'll come let it work for you and show it. You can stand on it, touch it, feel it, poke it, run it, whatever. And we've got a myriad of different attachments that hook up to these things. We can also do the same thing with Castle. Okay, Castle forklifts, like Patrick mentioned. We've got electric, we've got lithium. All right, so there's a lot of tilt wall warehouses that are going up all over the South. Okay, with these big warehouses, they're going to need forklifts. If you're one of those people, man, we have those in stock. We have LP units in stock. We've got diesel. We've got rough terrain. So if you're a sod farm and you're trying to move big pallets of sod, we can help you out there. We've got a full line of Castle forklifts ready to go. So give us a shout on that. We'd love to show them to you. Love to get you some more information. But basically, that's it. That's all we got, Patrick.
Yeah, that's pretty much a wrap up. We may have one more at the end of the year just to touch base, but
that's right. That's
I
right.
think it's been a good year all around for Kubota and us.
It has. It's been a great year. Hey, come see us at our 4 locations: Robertsdale, Alabama; Poplarville, Mississippi; Hattiesburg, Mississippi; Meridian, Mississippi. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, all of our channels. We'll see y'all later.
Thanks.